What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So recently it was my grandma's birthday, so we decided to go on a road trip to a decent restaurant in Kingston. So we decided to go to Port Royal. So I'm gonna take you guys on the entire journey and the entire trip to show you guys what basically happened. So we're gonna get right into the video right now.
Miami. Baba. Yeah, Baba. Yeah, Matami. Yeah. Yeah, Matami.
Man, I take the dirt already, brother. That's the man in the one.
Yeah.
Man, I take the dirt. Man, I take the dirt. Can't go do that one already. Yeah, so much ship load of dirt, man, and ship with fire. Yeah. Man, and test the dirt and find something in the dirt. Man, and ship with the side. What do you do with them?
Dirt and something like stone, so something like with them and
I tell you, man, and test the dirt, brother, and find some good dirt, is it?
So
I mean, man, and test the dirt and find some good dirt.
with them.
And then
They don't dash on.
ship way.
They don't dash on. I don't know ways.
rock them.
They want to do it, they know they want it. Trying to pay tax. Trying to do some lending money, and then can't pay, but they just capture one piece of land. But I see how I go on. I'm gonna stop it.
Oh, what up? 1 hour.
You gotta get that in bed now.
Hey. 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 You going up with grandma? Going with grandma. Grandma. Say hey, Ackeem.
I don't even want to cuss and talk. Yeah. You met
What you say?
I don't want to cuss and talk to you. Look for me.
He was so he gave the look. He gave him that look.
Right.
I told you he just answered him the right time.
MJ, I mean you want to cuss. Eh? I mean you want to cuss. Cuss me.
Answer him the right time.
Nice out here, no? Nice good view. Back to Kingston side. Come on. Yes guys, so what's up? We have finally reached our location right here in Port Royal. And we are here out with the family. You understand? Doing a look of vlog. Ackeem all over there, so all the way there here out, so Hope you guys just keep on watching, you know. Rasta that same way. Big up, you know. Yeah, man. So old people, yeah. Yes, guys. So it's a long journey. So we finally reached right now. We just want to go up on the restaurant, get some food, and cool down. You understand? Oh, what Port Royal today?
Yeah.
Like a lean house.
Yeah.
Go there one time already, you know. You know where house, play? Yeah, man. I done more over there. They done more over. So nice. Good.
Let's go.
Yeah, so out here now. And Kimali. Say hi, Kimali. Yeah, bless up, you know.
Yep.
So we are go up on the beach side now. Check out the beach. So it's very windy and cool right now. You understand? Yeah, out here. So I'm going to show you guys the view of the beach and everything. You understand? Yeah. So out here now. Can you keep up, Kimal? Can you keep up?
I'm trying.
Yeah. Yeah.
I told him about sugar with rice, right? Okay, he's gonna get curry shrimp. You want rice or vegetables? He's gonna get curry shrimp and rice. And these three here, I don't know. What do you want to get? Do you want steamed fish and what? Meanwhile, I'm thirsty. Everybody, nobody change up them order, just rice. Still take it anyway.
Where's the rock? Right, then we turn on left. You're from Bingy. You're cool. Ribs. Ah, for that. Yang ada yang yang ada.
Ito ada. Kimal. 7 up. Yes, I'm big. Yeah. So yes guys, this is my juice that I'm going to drink right now. You understand? There, just go and consume some of this right here. Whip on the food. They are going with a vibe, same way, you know? Come on, about this. Yeah. So right now I consume my carrot juice, tropical juice, and I go on easy. Yeah, I think Brian. Huh?
People gonna cook food.
Alright.
Cook.
You see, you need to come out. You need to come out. Well,
So she and my virgin. Perfect. Now you're gonna have
hello. You thumbs up some clear.
Yeah, Kimari.
Extra.
Shrimp.
What's there? Huh? White rice.
Alright, thanks.
You say you want the rice? No, you don't want the rice. By me.
Take one out.
Fish tastes nice. Yes guys, so other steamed fish. It's really nice, it's really delicious. I'm eating it right now and it tastes very fantastic, you understand?
Come to the family table, you know, all with one family. Because one and be strong, you know. Because one and be strong. Eat healthy.
Yeah. Bruh.
Right, next time I'm gonna do that.
Yes,
Benin.
call Ackeem.
Benin. MJ. MJ. Eh?